G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a lovely home, 17 Whimbrel Grove in the popular suburb of Ely Waters. We are strolling distance to the local shopping centre and only minutes away from everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. So let's go and take a look around. Offering an unrivalled lifestyle in one of Hervey Bay's most popular suburbs, this lovely home occupies a spacious 770 square metre allotment in a quiet grove backing onto the Hervey Bay Golf Course and is strolling distance to the local Ely Waters shopping centre. This home has been tastefully refurbished throughout with a fuse of elegance and traditional style with designated living and entertaining areas. The design reveals a functional and flexible floor plan ideal for family living. An inspiring culinary haven, the kitchen features lovely bamboo bench tops, loads of storage, large pantry, premium appliances and a dishwasher. Intuitively designed, the kitchen flows to an open plan dining area for hosting more intimate events on one side and an opening out to the laundry with matching cabinetry on the other side. From the dining area, glass sliders create a seamless transition to the vast outdoor entertaining area where you will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate overlooking that sparkling in-ground pool with private yard and leafy backdrop. A separate lounge room allows everyone their own space to enjoy watching their favourite television shows or games and includes a split system air conditioner. This great home includes 5 bedrooms, all of which feature built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. Those looking to accommodate extended family, loved ones and teenagers will appreciate the 2 spacious main suites, both of which include their own en-suites. Three of the 5 bedrooms are serviced by the centrally located bathroom and separate toilet. In addition to the 5 bedrooms, there is also a separate study nook or office space. Those looking to accommodate larger vehicles, including caravans and boats, will appreciate the clear side access to the shed at the rear, which includes power and a brick facade which ties it into this home's street appeal. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with being able to walk to the Ely Waters shopping centre and being only minutes away from key amenities including the Stockland Shopping Centre, hospitals, schools, university, golf course, esplanade, beach and thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD from this charming home. The owners have already committed to purchasing another property and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.